Morning students. Today we are going to learn about derivative of a parametric function, right? Suppose you have x and y are functions of another variable, say t, right? So x and y are functions of another variable t, right? Then this t is called a parameter. This t is called a parameter, right? And x is equal to, because x and y are function of another variable, right? So x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t, right? So x is a function of another variable t and y is a function of another variable t. Then this t is called parameter, and the equation, this type of equation, x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t, are called parametric equation, right? Now from this, x is equal to f of t, right? It is given x is equal to f of t, right? Then what is t? T is equal to f inverse x. This is, you know, right? We learn in inverse trigonometric function. Now substituting this t is equal to f inverse x into g. So what happen here? This can be written as y is equal to g. And what is t? T is f inverse x. So now this y is changed into a function of x, right? So y is now a function of x. So now let us see how to get the derivative of this parametric function, that is rule for the differentiation of a parametric function, right? So rule for differentiation of parametric equations. Right? Suppose similarly you are given x is equal to f of t, right? So x is a function of t. So derivative of a function with respect to t, we are going to differentiate with respect to t. So this will give dx by dt, right, is equal to derivative of derivative of fx with respect to t is f dash t, and y is equal to gt. So this implies dy by dt is equal to g dash t, right? So our question and our target is to find out the dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x. So this is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, right? Now what is dy by dt? Dy by dt is g dash t upon dx by dt is f dash t. So this is f dash t, right? Where, mind one thing, this is f dash t. Remember, f dash t is never equal to 0, that is this is not equal to 0, right? Denominator not equal to 0 ही होना चाहिए. So while parametric equations are given, that is two functions are given of another variable, say t, then you have to differentiate this function with respect to this and this function with respect to this, and then find out the value of dy by dx is called a parametric differentiation, So अब हम इसके कुछ सम्स देखते हैं. Suppose y is equal to a cos theta and x is equal to a sin theta is given, and the question is to find the value of dy by dx, then differentiate this function. So now see, y is a function of another variable theta, right? So as we saw in parametric differentiation, right, we have to differentiate this function with respect to theta. So dy by d theta, a is constant and derivative of cos theta is minus, I am writing minus here, sin theta, right? And x is a function of theta, so differentiating with respect to theta, dx by d theta is equal to a is constant, derivative of sin theta is cos theta, right? So by parametric rule, by differentiation of parametric rule, what we get? Differentiation of parametric rule, what we get? Dy by dx. So here dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, right? Now dy by d theta is here, minus a sin theta. So this is minus a sin theta upon dx by d theta is a cos theta, right? So a will cut, answer will be minus tan theta, right? Where this dx by d theta, this must be not dx by d theta, this must be not equal to 0. Remember this thing, right? As here dx by dt, f dash t is not equal to 0, right? So like this, you have in parametric differentiation, you have to differentiate given function with respect to this. That is, if theta is given, you have to differentiate with respect to this theta, right? If it is instead of theta, it's given t, you have to differentiate with respect to t and find out the value of dy by dx using this rule, right? But remember one thing, आपको एक बात याद रखनी है, कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, सम में x पहले दे देते हैं और बाद में y देते हैं, तो आपको यहाँ जो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं ना, तब ख्याल रखना है, राइट, कि आपको dy बाई डी थीटा लिखना है तो dy बाई डी थीटा पहले था या सेकेंड था, वो देख के ही वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है. नहीं तो सपोज आपने पहले dy बाई डी थीटा की जगह पे dx बाई डी थीटा लिख दिया तो ये आंसर 10 की जगह पे कॉट आ जाएगा. सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग ओनली. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 34, x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, then find the dy by dx, right? So here x and y both are function of another variable theta, that means we have to differentiate with respect to theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, राइट? अभी तक हमने जो फंक्शन देते थे वो फंक्शन वही फंक्शन था, y था तो वो x में ही था, सब x का डेरिवेटिव लिया था हमने, मगर ये फंक्शन जो भी है वो थीटा का फंक्शन है. सो हमें डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा लेना पड़ेगा, राइट? नाउ this is x, so dx by d theta, so dx by d theta is equal to a is constant and derivative cos is minus sin, so इसका डेरिवेटिव माइनस a sin थीटा हो जाएगा. और dx by d theta ऑलवेज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होना चाहिए, हमने यहाँ देखा था ये f डैश t नॉट इक्वल टू 0, सो ये नॉट इक्वल टू 0 लिखना पड़ेगा. दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, राइट? एंड y is a sin theta, so differentiating with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta is equal to a sin का डेरिवेटिव cos होता है, वो आपको पता है, राइट? गॉट इट? सो देयरफॉर dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So now dy by d theta is, this is, see, this is dx by d theta and here is dy by d theta. So what is your answer? A cos theta upon minus a sin theta, minus a sin theta, a will cut, so cos upon sin is minus cot theta, minus cot theta. तो जो हमने यहाँ पे इलस्ट्रेशन में दिखा था वो क्या दिखा था, y इज इक्वल टू ए कॉस थीटा, तो वो इंटरचेंज हो गया x और y, तो ऐसे दे देते हैं कभी कभी. तो आपको ये देख के आपको कौन सा फंक्शन दिया है, कौन सा x है, कौन सा y है, आपने क्या फाइंड किया, dy बाई डी एक्स, dy बाई डी थीटा या dy बाई डी टी क्या है, dx बाई डी थीटा या dx बाई डी टी क्या है, वो देख के आंसर लास्ट में लिखना है, राइट? आई बात समझ में? नेक्स्ट इज एग्जाम्पल 35. गिवन x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to twice 80, then find the dy by dx. That is our question, right? Now here x is a function of t and y is a function of t, so differentiating with respect to t, so differentiating with respect to t, so answer of this dx by dt is twice at and dy by dt is twice a. Yes, derivative of t is 1. So therefore, by parametric differentiation rule, what we get? Dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dt is this. So twice a, right? Whole upon dx by dt is this, and this must be not equal to 0. So this is twice a t. So what is your answer? Answer will be 1 upon t, right? Where t not equal to 0 आप यहाँ भी लिख सकते हो ऐसा कि t not equal to 0 है, right? आई बात समझ में? Next question is example number 36. X is equal to a theta plus sin theta and y is equal to a 1 minus cos theta. These two functions are given and both are very in theta. So differentiating respect to theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, right? So derivative of this dx by d theta is equal to dx by d theta is equal to a is constant, so as it is. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 plus derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So this is a into 1 plus cos theta, and derivative of y is dy by d theta with respect to theta, right, is equal to a constant, so as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, so this become plus sin theta, right? Now you know dx by d theta is equal to, this is 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, so applying that formula 2 cos square theta by 2, right, which is not equal to 0, and dy by d theta, so dy by d theta is equal to a. Now this is in half angle theta by 2 and this is in full angle, so applying for sin 2 theta formula, you know formula for sin 2 theta is, this is the formula, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? So applying this formula here, what we get, this is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 हो जाएगा, right? That is, this is twice a sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 होगा. So therefore dy by dx, our target is to find out the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is twice a sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 upon dx by d theta is twice a cos square theta by 2. So this is equal to twice a cancel, 1 cos cancel, so answer will be tan theta by 2. Answer will be tan theta by 2, right? Got it? How to differentiate parametric equations. आई ना बात समझ में आपको? हाँ, तो हम ऐसे पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशंस जो दिए हैं उसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 37, x raised to 2/3 plus y raised to 2/3 is equal to a raised to 2/3. So this is not a parametric equation, this is simple implicit function. So differentiating with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, what we get here? Derivative of x raised to 2/3 is, you know, 2/3 x raised to 2/3 minus 1, that is minus 1 upon 3, plus here again 2/3 y raised to minus 1 upon 3 into, this is the function of y, so you have to multiply by dy by dx according to chain rule, right? And this is constant raised to constant, so derivative is 0, right? So taking these to right hand side, what we get? 2/3 x raised to minus 1 upon 3 is equal to minus 2/3 y raised to minus 1 upon 3 into dy by dx. So answer is dy by dx. Making dy by dx to subject, then dy by dx is equal to this 2 by 3 will cut, right? So answer is dy by dx x raised to minus 1 upon 3 upon y raised to minus 1 upon 3. Now if we take y to the numerator, then minus power become plus, and if we take this x raised to minus 1 upon in denominator, then minus become plus. So we'll get, and this is minus sign, so minus y raised to 1 upon 3 upon x raised to 1 upon 3. Either we can write dy by dx is equal to minus, this is 1/3 power, that is cube root of y by x, so y by x raised to 1 upon 3. दिस इज योर आंसर. आपको ऐसा लगा होगा कि पैरामेट्रिक में ये क्यों दे दिया. तो ये जो कर्व दिया है x रेस्ट टू बाई 3 प्लस y रेस्ट टू 2 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू a रेस्ट टू 2 बाई 3, इसका जो पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशंस है वो है x इज इक्वल टू a cos क्यूब थीटा एंड y इज इक्वल टू a sin क्यूब थीटा. a cos क्यूब थीटा, y इज इक्वल टू a sin क्यूब थीटा. पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन जो है वो क्या होता है कि इसका जो पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन है वो इक्वेशन में हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो वी विल गेट a रेस टू 2 बाई 3, राइट. जो वैल्यू हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं x और y की, वो इसका सेटिस्फेक्शन करेंगे तो उसको हम पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन बोलते हैं, राइट. सी x इज a cos क्यूब थीटा रेस टू पावर 2 बाई 3, दैट इज a रेस टू 2 बाई 3 होगा. दिस इज x रेस टू 2 बाई 3. नाउ x इज a cos क्यूब थीटा हो जाएगा, राइट. तो ये आंसर क्या आएगा, a रेस टू 2 बाई 3 होगा, तो a रेस टू 2 बाई 3 और 3 कैंसल, सो cos स्क्वायर थीटा, राइट. सो सिमिलरली सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ y हियर, व्हाट वी गेट, a रेस टू 2 बाई 3 इंटू साइन स्क्वायर थीटा होगा, राइट. सो टेकिंग a रेस टू 2 बाई 3 कॉमन, व्हाट वी गेट, cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, एंड यू नो cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, right. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So this is a raised to 2 by 3, that is right hand side of the equation. So these are the parametric equations of the given equation, right. That's why substitute now differentiating this, x is equal to a cos cube theta, right. So we assume that let x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta, right. So differentiating x with respect to theta and y with respect to theta, so differentiating with respect to theta, derivative of this dx by d theta, derivative dx by d theta is a constant, cos cube theta, derivative of cos cube theta is 3 cos square theta, and derivative of cos theta again applying chain rule, so minus sin theta. Answer is minus sin theta, right. So dx by d theta is, you get dx by d theta is minus 3a cos square theta sin theta, right. And now what you have, y is equal to, you have y is equal to a sin cube theta, right. So differentiating respect to theta, this is not equal to 0, that you know also. So dy by d theta is equal to a constant, derivative of sin cube theta is 3 sin square theta, and derivative of sin theta is cos theta, right. That is dy by d theta. So dy by d theta is equal to 3a sin square theta cos theta हो जाएगा, right. So what is your answer now? Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Now dy by d theta is 3a sin square theta cos theta whole upon dx by d theta is minus 3a cos square theta, so minus 3a cos square theta sin theta, right. तो क्या होगा अभी, 3a कैंसिल हो गया, साइन स्क्वायर कैंसिल, कॉस स्क्वायर कॉस कैंसिल हो गया, तो बाकी क्या रहेगा, दिस इज माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा, साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा. Now from this equation, this is x is equal to a cos cube theta, right? So x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta is given. So from this, sin cube theta is y upon a and cos cube theta is x upon a हो जाएगा, right? So sin theta will be y upon a whole raised to 1/3 होगा and cos theta क्या होगा, x upon a whole raised to 1/3. So substituting the value of sin and cos here, substituting this value of sin and cos here, what we get? Can I write like here? So dy by dx is equal to sin theta minus sin theta. Sin theta is y raised to 1/3 upon a raised to 1/3 and cos theta. So into cos theta is x raised to 1/3 upon a raised to 1/3. This will cut. So what we get? Minus y raised to 1/3 upon x raised to 1/3 is the same answer as we got here. So in mathematics, you have lots of ways to get the answer, but you have to apply whatever you like, right? आपको जो पसंद है वो मेथड आप उसको सिलेक्ट कीजिए, अदरवाइज देर इज़ अ लॉट्स ऑफ मेथड्स टू गेट योर आंसर, राइट? मगर आपको जो अच्छा लगे वही आपको एडोप्ट करना है. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, राइट? देखो ये कितना लंबा हो गया, ये हमने किया. तो पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन है वो याद रखना है, उसके बाद उसका डेरिवेटिव लिया, डेरिवेटिव लेने के बाद इसको ये कन्वर्ट भी करना पड़ा, और इसमें कुछ नहीं करना था, डायरेक्ट इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन अप्लाई करो, यू विल गेट योर आंसर. तो जो मेथड आपको याद आए, जो करो वो करो, मगर वो लॉजिकली करेक्ट होना चाहिए. अप्लाई एनी मेथड, राइट? सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, x इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस ए टी स्क्वायर एंड y इज इक्वल टू a t raised to power 4. So both x and y are function of t. So differentiating with respect to t. So differentiating with respect to t, right? Derivative of this dx by dt, because we are differentiating with respect to t. So dx by dt, twice a is constant and derivative of t square is twice t. So 2 into 2 480 हो जाएगा, and this is not equal to 0, and dy by dt is equal to a is constant and derivative of t raised to 4 is 4t cube, that is 4a t cube होगा, right? So final answer will be dy by dx, that is dy by dt upon dx by dt. So now dy by dt is 4a t cube upon dx by dt is 4a t. So 4a cancel. So final answer will be t square. Final answer will be t square. Got it? Now question number 2, मैं यहाँ ही कर देता हूँ. Question number 2 क्या दिया है? Question number 2 में x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. Y is equal to b sin theta. This is given. Sorry. Y is given b cos theta. Y is given b cos theta. Sin theta होगा तो भी आंसर तो आ जाएगा आपका, कोई बात नहीं, राइट? मगर ये कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो हो गया, होने दो, देखते हैं क्या होता है. चलो, बोथ आर फंक्शंस ऑफ theta. So differentiating with respect to theta. So differentiating with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to a. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus sin theta and dx by theta not equal to 0. And dy by d theta is minus b sin theta. So therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is minus b sin theta whole upon dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. So your answer will be dy by dx is equal to b upon a. तो ये आपका आंसर आ गया. Next question is question number 3. X is equal to sin t and y is equal to cos 2t. So both are parametric equations in t. So differentiating with respect to t. So differentiating with respect to t. Derivative of this dx by dt is equal to derivative of sin t is cos t and dx by dt not equal to 0 always. So this is not equal to 0 and dy by dt is equal to derivative of cos bracket is minus sin bracket and bracket ka derivative again 2. So this is minus 2 sin 2t, right? So therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now dy by dt is this, so minus 2 times sin 2t upon dx by dt is cos t. Now are you able to simplify this? Yes. So applying formula of sin 2 theta. So answer of this is minus 2 into sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta, but this is in t. So 2 sin t into cos t whole upon cos t. So cos will cut. So your answer will be minus 4 times sin t. Answer will be minus 4 times sin t, right? Then question number 4. So question number 4 is x is equal to 4t and y is equal to 4 by t. Both are parametric equation of variable t. So differentiating with respect to t. Derivative of this x is dx by dt is equal to 4 constant and derivative of t is 1. So 4, which is not equal to 0 always, and dy by dt. So dy by dt 4 is constant and derivative 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square. So this is 4 upon t square. So इसका derivative क्या हो जाएगा? So derivative of this, that is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dt is minus 4 upon t square into dx by dt is 4. So 1 upon 4. So answer will be dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon t square as 4 cut, right? And next question is question number 5. So question number 5 is x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta and y is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So this is given parametric equations. Both are in theta. So differentiating with respect to theta. Right? So derivative of this first. X is dx by d theta. Right? Derivative of cos is minus sin theta minus derivative of cos bracket minus sin bracket, that is sin 2 theta, and derivative of 2 theta again is 2. So minus plus 2 sin 2 theta, right, which is not equal to 0, and derivative of y with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta is equal to derivative of sin theta is cos theta, right, minus 2 times cos 2 theta, because derivative of sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta and derivative of 2 theta again is 2. So cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta is equal to dy by d theta is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta whole upon dx by d theta is minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Now we are not able to simplify this, so leave it as it is. This is your final answer. Next question is question number 6. X is equal to a theta minus sin theta and y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. So both equations are in theta, so differentiating respect to theta. So differentiating with respect to theta. Now therefore derivative of this dx by d theta is equal to a as it is, derivative of theta with respect to theta, that is 1 minus sin theta is cos theta, right? So this is a 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta. You know this formula, right? That is, your answer is twice a sin square theta by 2, and this is never equal to 0, right? And what is given? Y is a into 1 plus cos theta, so dy by d theta is equal to a as it is, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now answer is minus a sin theta, but here answer is in theta by 2, so changing this also in half angle formula, that is sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta, so applying that formula here, so dy by d theta is equal to minus a into 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, that is dy by d theta is minus twice a sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, right? So we have to find out dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So now what is dy by d theta? So dy by d theta is this, that is minus twice a times sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, right? Whole upon dx by d theta is twice a sin square theta by 2, right? So final answer will be this twice a we will cut, one sin cancel, that is cot upon sin, that is minus cot theta by 2, so minus cot theta by 2 is the answer.